after a frantic stock sale helped wipe nearly $50 billion off the market capitalizations of ViacomCBS and Discovery, investors are worried that big banks in Washington could rein in margin debt, the risky leverage that sparked the Friday sell-off after soaring to a meteoric high during the pandemic. Founded by former Tiger management trader Bill Hwang, Archegos Capital Management has been at the center of the scrutiny facing overleveraged hedge funds. The firm sold nearly $30 billion in shares of Viacom, Discovery and several Chinese tech stocks on Friday after the falling shares triggered a margin call, or the forced sale of securities when equity in a leveraged position falls below a certain threshold. Investors can use margin debt to double down on a stock bet without ponying over more cash, which is why margin debt is sometimes used to measure stock market euphoria. Though neither specifically named Archegos, banking heavyweights Credit Suisse and Nomura warned they would face highly significant losses as a result of a U.S. hedge fund client that defaulted on margin calls. Credit Suisse said it was too early to quantify losses, but Nomura estimated Archegos' losses at $2 billion. The block trading and bank fallout story is dominating the market narrative Monday as investors worry about more forced selling with possibly systemic implications to the extent Wall Street pulls back margin lending, Crisafulli said Monday. Not everyone's convinced the Friday sell-off will have material repercussions for stocks beyond this week. Oanda senior market analyst Edward Moya called the Friday beatdown for ViacomCBS, Discovery and many Chinese tech stocks a one-off event in a Monday note, though he also says Archegos overleveraging will undoubtedly force every prime brokerage to review their books. ViacomCBS and Discovery plunged 50% and 46%, respectively, last week, wiping out nearly $48 billion in market value. Those losses are holding on Monday, with ViacomCBS sinking another 3% while Discovery adds back just 3%. When you look at the stocks that were incorrectly bet on, Wall Street must ponder if the V-shaped stock market recovery got out of hand, Moya said of the sustained losses. Nomura and Credit Suisse warn of significant losses following Archegos fire sale. Banking Stocks Tumble. Forbes, the firm behind the $30 billion Yardsale shaking financial markets, disclosed almost nothing. Forbes, is the stock market about to crash? Forbes, Dow falls 100 points as big banks plunge amid fire sale concerns. Forbes.